My name is Joanna Petit-Frere, makeup artist and photographer, and thank you for watching my lipstick VISAGE-1STUDIOS cosmetic makeup video. My VISAGE-1STUDIOS long-wear lip stains are creamy lip colors with a modern matte finish. The nourishing ingredients help keep your lips supple and smooth. It's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and comes in over 7 colors. The final look. You can purchase VISAGE-1STUDIOS cosmetics in the link in my Instagram bio or by visiting VISAGE-1STUDIOS.com. If you want to learn how I created this whole makeup look featuring every product, make sure you check out my makeup tutorial on my YouTube channel, VISAGE-1STUDIOS. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, share this video, and follow my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, VISAGE-1STUDIOS.